Hi y'all, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Well, I did it. I cracked. I was watching Cinnamon Stitches, Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches, and I watched, I don't know, her second or third, I don't remember how many, second or third haul that she went to Hobby Lobby, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I just gotta go. So I went, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. I have a haul from Hobby Lobby. I can tell you that I went to four, not one, but I went to four Hobby Lobbies. And so the items that I'm going to show you today are from two Hobby Lobbies because there's just too much to show you from four. But I'm going to put mostly prices like things like that up here for you so that way you can see that. All right, so let's get going so you don't have to spend all day watching. Some of this is going to be familiar yarn that you've seen other people purchase as well, but there's some unique items that I wanted to purchase, and so you're going to see those too. All right, so let's get going. If you like this content, don't forget, hit the subscription below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, select all, so you'll be notified of when I have upcoming videos. Okay, so let's get going. I have all of my stuff laid out up here. Some you can't see yet, okay? I'm going to start back here in the back. And the first thing that I picked up, and just FYI, most of the stuff, there's only a couple of items that I purchased that were acrylic. Almost everything is at least a cotton blend, and there's some silk in here as well. So the first thing I purchased, and I really love this, is the Arabella. Let's see. And that is the color. Look how pretty that is. This is and this is the darker one. If you dig in there, you can see that it gets lighter in between. This is a 50-50 cotton polyester blend. Great price. Like I say, I'll put that up there so you can see the pricing of these things. I ended up getting like 7 of these, and you can see together, I'm thinking about making some type of a scarf, something along those lines for my daughter. But look at those colors, they're just beautiful. So that's the first thing I got. The next thing I got was this yarn. It was pretty new to me. It's called Brushworks by Yarn Bee. It's another Yarn Bee brand. And what this guy is, and see, take a look at that color. Isn't that color beautiful? And so for this, I got 5 of these. This is actually 80% acrylic and 20% alpaca. And so it is super soft. I'm actually looking forward to working with this, and it actually is 254 yards per skein. And so I purchased enough to make me a top out of this, and so I think that'll look pretty good. So yep, I got 5 of those. Just really, really beautiful color there. And that's what they look like. So that is that on that little bag there. Let's move over to here. Next, I purchased, this is like the one acrylic that I got. And this is actually what reeled me in because I saw Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches with this, and so I had to have some too. And this is Dazzling. Look at those color. Isn't that pretty? And you dig in, and it's shiny. It has like little blue flecks of shininess in it. It does do a little bit of color change. See if I can get it to get in there. A little bit of color change in there as well. Super soft. This is what I've got 8 skeins of this, and each skein is right around 250 yards. It's probably more than I need, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the pocket shawl out of this. It won't be for a while, but that's what the plan is for that. So happy with that purchase as well. Then I have this little lonely guy here. Watch this. I only could find one, just one, but I bought it because I wanted it and I wanted to try it out. And this is Must Be Merino. And it's in the color of ivory. This is a 3 weight. That's what it says. It might be There, that might be a little bit better. It says it's a 3-weight, and this is, let me look how many yards. But it is super soft. It's only $1.49. And I looked at all 4 of the stores to see if they had more of it. 227 yards. And it is 50% merino, 25% acrylic, 25% nylon. So these will make some great, that'll make some great socks. I don't know if it's enough for socks, I'll have to look. All right, moving on. The next thing I got is denim in color. And this is in the color black. So you guys already know who that's for, right? This is, I'm going to use this to make something for my daughter because you know she likes black and white. The only thing is, after I got home, I got kind of bummed because this is 157 yards. So I only got 2. And I don't know why I only got 2. Maybe there were only 2. I really wish I had one more because that's going to limit me for what I can make for her. I mean, it's so soft though, guys. I mean, really, if you guys are near Hobby Lobby, or if you're not near Hobby Lobby and want to order, like some of this stuff is just so soft. Everything that I purchased, that I'm purchasing here today, we already got like the Brushworks, the Arabella, the denim in color. All of these are just incredibly soft. Yeah. Just super soft. So if you've not experienced Hobby Lobby yarn, you should go check it out. But again, I wish I had one more of these. Anybody got a denim in color and black? Shoot it my way. All right, so that's what I got there. And that one, I believe, is that a, let me see what that one is. Is that a cotton? That's a cotton blend. Acrylic cotton, 50/50. Okay. Dazzling, I got another grouping of Dazzling only because it's so damn beautiful. So beautiful. And so in this one, look at this guy. Look at those colors. And you dig in there. Look underneath there. That is going to be gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And like I said, that's what reeled me in when Jennifer said that she had taken one of these colorways and she made herself a shirt with it. And so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I got 3 skeins of this color because you know how I love green. 3 skeins of this color, which is, where are you? Hello. Tortoise shell. Well, I think that's suiting. Tortoise shell, 250 yards. So definitely enough there. So that's what I got there. And again, super soft. And then the last item on this adventure here are these guys. I purchased, I must say, I told you I went to 4 stores. 2 of the stores had these, and I purchased what they had. I ended up purchasing 15 of these guys. Look how shiny that is. That is beautiful. It is Hint of Silk, Imperial Silk, Yarn Bee. $5.99, and you can see the price on there was $1.49. And that is beautiful color. So ended up, like I say, I purchased 15 of these at 130 yards per. So I have about 1,500 yards of material here to make something. Absolutely. It's a size 4 yarn. I wish it was a 3, but it's not. It's a 4. And you can see it's a lighter 3 or lighter 4. That's the size there. But yeah, I wish it was a 3. But like I say, it is what it is. It's just beautiful. And this is 85% bamboo and 15% silk. Super soft. I did a comparable. I think it was Lion Brand had a bamboo 70%, 30% silk, 100-ish yards, and it was $7.99. So, and this is 15% silk. So I think Hobby Lobby is comparable for price-wise when it comes to this. But at $1.49, that's just a killer price for this. Like I say, I got 15. Totally my color, You know, I would have bought more if they had more, to be honest, because it's just gorgeous color. So anyway, I'll pop up the total prices for everything so you can see that and get a comparable. But I can tell you I had a fantastic time actually going there shopping. I can tell you for total, for my whole haul, for all 4 stores, I spent roughly, where was that? Roughly $140. Yeah. So yeah, I spent like $140 in total, but at the end of the day, I haven't figured out the rest of the yarn, the prices, but like I say, I'll give you for this so you guys can see what that is and give you an idea. But moving forward, as I make things with these items, with this yarn, because like I said, I already got plans for a lot of this. Shirts, things for daughter, I already got a lot of plans for it. I will be using the price point of $1.50 per skein because I've already calculated out based on how many skeins I have, which was 97, because I haven't showed them all to you, and it's basically $1.46 per skein overall, and so I'll be using a price point of $1.50. All right, that's what I had to show you today. If you have any comments, questions, any questions at all, put them in the comments box below, and I will catch you next time. Have a great day.